Sir, 2 years.
6 years बेटा, इसको भी जाके देखो। ठीक है, चलो हो गया। जेबा परवीन, व्हाट इज मीन अ पार्लियामेंट्री गवर्नमेंट?
Parliamentary government.
चलो टाइम ले रहा है, तुम जाओ। रोनित करके।
Sir, ask another question.
नहीं टाइम
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
मेरे। रोनित करके।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है जेबा, व्हाट इज मीन अ प्रेसिडेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट?
In presidential form of government, the president is the real head.
Okay, very good. How is the president of America elected?
By simple electoral college.
Okay, name the electoral college.
PC. PEC. Presidential Electoral College.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, leave. Very good. Manish Gupta, how is the president of America elected?
So
The
by the
president of America
PC.
is elected by electoral college, by the members of electoral college.
Okay, name the body.
So PAC.
Okay, very good, very good. Who is the head? Who is the real head in the parliamentary system?
Sir, parliamentary system, Prime Minister.
Very good, very good. Okay, okay, leave. Okay. Parvez Alam, how is the president of America elected?
So through President Electoral College, comprising of the member of the parliament. Sir? Yes, sir. Beside my sister is sitting there.
Okay, that is fine. Little bit hard, but दूर चला जाओ। चलो हो गया। और एक और लास्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका, ये तो पूछ लिया ना, हाउ इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया और अमेरिका बी रिमूव? हाउ कैन?
So President of India can be removed through the process of impeachment, and the President of America can also be removed through impeachment, but it is slightly difficult there.
Okay, okay, very good, very good, very good. Very good. Just a minute, huh? ओके, यहाँ से असाइनमेंट खत्म होते इंग्लिश में घुस जाना, ठीक है? इंग्लिश असाइनमेंट में घुस जाना, खत्म होने के बाद से जिसका जितना हो जाएगा इंग्लिश में घुस जाना। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, मनीष गुप्ता, योर इज ओवर, यू कैन लीव।
Okay, sir.
Okay, Sawan Baspur, what is
Yes, sir.
the term of a Rajya Sabha member?
The 6 years.
Okay, very good. How is the president of India elected, directly or indirectly?
Sir, directly.
हो गया
Sir,
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, इनडायरेक्टली इलेक्ट होता है, ठीक है? ओके ओके, लीव। नेक्स्ट, श्वेता जायसवाल, हाउ इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया इलेक्टेड, डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली?
Sir, indirectly by the electoral college, presidential
Yes.
electoral college.
Okay. What is mean by impeachment?
Sir, if the president does anything again, removal of president.
Yes, yes, very good, very good, very good. Okay, leave. Dev,
Yes, sir.
difference
sir.
between parliamentary and presidential form of government.
Parliamentary government, the executive is not separated from the legislature. The members of the Council of Ministers are the members of legislature. Presidential government, the executive is completely separated from the legislature. The members of executive are not the members of legislature. In parliamentary government, prime minister is the real head. In presidential form of government, president is the real head.
Very good, very good.
Parliamentary government example, India, presidential America.
Very good, very good. Well done. Good boy, good boy. Okay, leave.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Roshan Kumar Mapo.
Yes, sir.
How is the president of America elected?
So indirectly.
Okay, very good. Who is the present president of America? Okay, Rohan, leave. Sudip Mangar.
Yes, sir.
So I can hear you.
How is the president of India elected, directly or indirectly?
So indirectly.
Very good. What is the term of Lok Sabha member? 5 years or 6 years?
So 5 years.
Very good. Okay, leave. Swarnendu,
Yes, sir.
differentiate between parliamentary and presidential form of government.
So difference.
Yes.
Sir, in parliamentary form of government, the prime minister is the real head and it is found in Indian. Presidential form of government, the president is the real head and it is found in America.
Okay. How is the president of America elected?
Sir, they are elected indirectly through PEC.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Very good. Good boy. Leave. Okay. Sohana Khatun.
Yes, sir.
How is the president of India elected?
Indirectly.
Okay. Who is the present president of India?
Ramnath Kovind.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Leave. MD Nausad. How are the members of Lok Sabha elected?
Indirectly members are elected by the people of India.
Who is the chief minister of West Bengal?
Mamata Banerjee.
Okay, very good. Leave. Susmita Day. What is meant by parliamentary and presidential form of government? Explain with example.
Sir, parliamentary form of government is a type of government in which Prime Minister is the real head and all the powers are vested by him. And example, sir, the Parliament of India, the Government of India. And in presidential form of government is a type of government in which the president is the real head. Example, the government of USA.
Okay, very good. Okay, you can now join the English assignment class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Very, very good. Okay, Deepak Surana.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How is the president of India elected?
Through
Explain.
PEC, Presidential Electoral College.
Very good. Who is the present president of America?
Joe Biden.
Vice President?
Kamala Harris.
What is the term of the president of America?
4 years.
Very good. Okay, thank you. Lee. Vikas Pal.
Yes, sir.
What is your roll number?
45.
45. Okay. Tell me, how is the member of Lok Sabha elected?
They are elected by the members, by the citizen of India.
Okay, very good. What is the term of Lok Sabha member?
5 years.
How is the Speaker of Lok Sabha elected?
By the voting of the members of the simple majority.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, leave. Deep means. Deep means. How is the president of America elected?
Sir, indirectly by
Okay, good. What is mean a parliamentary form of government?
parliamentary. Sir, in that president is head in that government.
In the parliamentary, president is head. Okay, okay. Okay, leave. Now next, Priyanka Chaudhary. What is your roll number?
72.
70,
No.
67. It is mentioned. Okay, Priyanka Chaudhary. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
how is the Speaker of Lok Sabha elected?
Speaker of Lok Sabha.
Achha, children, do you have any disturbances from my video?
Yes, sir.
मेरा वीडियो से कोई डिस्टरबेंसेस आ रहा है? गाना वाना का आवाज आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
तो
sir.
हाँ हाँ, पूजा हो रहा है तो उसका आवाज आ रहा है. मैं कहीं भी चला जाऊं वो आवाज पीछा कर रहा है मेरा. चलो कोई बात नहीं. क्वेश्चन समझने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा ना किसी को?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Priyanka Chaudhary, tell me, how is the Lok Sabha member elected and name the present Speaker of Lok Sabha?
Lok Sabha. Sir.
स्पीकर का नाम नहीं आता है? अच्छा, who is the Chief Minister of West Bengal?
Sir, Mamata Banerjee.
Okay, very good. Okay, leave. Saroj Paddar. Roll number?
Yes, sir.
Roll number?
29.
Okay. Tell me, how is the Speaker of Lok Sabha elected?
Yes, sir.
No. Network problem. Yeah. Okay. What is the term of Lok Sabha?
5 years.
What is the term of Rajya Sabha member?
6 years.
What is the term of the President of America?
4 years.
Okay, very good. Leave. Tanu Kashyap. Tanu Kashyap, what is the term of Rajya Sabha?
Sir, term of
Rajya Sabha.
6 years.
बेटा वीडियो देखो, ठीक है? सारा वीडियो वहां लिखा गया, चैप्टर 1 चैप्टर 2 का वीडियो है, सब देखना, ठीक है? सब जरूरी क्वेश्चन सब है. ओके, नाउ टेल मी, हाउ इज द लोक सभा मेंबर इलेक्टेड?
Lok Sabha member elected. So Lok Sabha member are elected directly by the people
of India. Very good, girl. Good. Okay, leave Anu. Okay, now. Urvashi. What is the presidential form of government?
No?
What is mean by presidential form of government?
No, sir.
This topic only you wrote that, na? अच्छा, ठीक है. Tell me, how is the Speaker of Lok Sabha elected?
Speaker of Lok Sabha are elected directly by the people of India.
No. वेरी गुड, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, तुम तो मेरा वीडियो देखेगा भी नहीं, मेरा क्लास में आती भी नहीं है ना, चलो कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, लीव। आयुष कुमार।
Yes, sir.
What is the term of Rajya Sabha?
So term of Rajya permanent house it is.
Okay, very good. What is the term of Lok Sabha?
5 years.
What is the term of the members of a House of Representatives?
So which Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha?
House of Representatives.
So 5 years sir.
Assignment का topic यही था ना? This was the topic given, no? Parliament and presidential. The term of the House of Representatives is 2 years. Okay,
2
leave. Abhishek Kumar Das.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is your roll number?
So 1.
Your roll number is 1.
So, sorry, sir. I don't remember. I have not got here.
Yeah, you are not attending the class. That is why. एक भी class attend नहीं किया. Not even a single video you watched. Okay. What is okay? How is the president of America elected?
So indirectly.
Okay.
By
What is the
electoral college.
member?
Sir.
What is the term of Rajya Sabha member?
So 6 years.
Okay, very goodly. Rupesh Kumar Yadav. Rupesh. Okay, Nikita Nandi. Nikita Nandi.
Yes, sir.
पूरा वीडियो बंद है. Okay, Tania Goyal.
Yes, sir.
What is mean a parliamentary form of government?
So the meaning of parliamentary form of government is where the prime minister rules.
Okay, very good. Leave.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Sahina Khatun. How is the American president elected? Directly or indirectly?
Indirectly by the members of Electoral College.
Okay. And what is the member of House of Representatives?
Sir?
What is the term of the member of House of Representatives? What is the term of Lok Sabha member?
5 years.
What is the term of House of Representatives? 2 years. 2 years. Okay, leave. Kanaiya Mathur. Kanaiya Mathur. अच्छा, विजया मंडल. Yes, sir. Vijaya Mandal. What is mean by presidential form of government? Vijaya Mandal. Vijaya Mandal. What is mean by parliamentary form of government? करो. Okay, Vijaya, no answer. Okay, leave. Nikita Nandi, yes. Turn on your camera, Nikita Nandi, turn on your camera. Otherwise, again, I'll remove you. These people are wasting my time. Okay, Kanaya Mato. How is the Speaker of Lok Sabha elected?
नेटवर्क सर्चिंग को नेटवर्क हो रहे
Kanaya Mato.
Yes, sir.
How is the Speaker of Lok Sabha elected? Fast, jaldi jawab do.
By the people of India.
Okay, what is the term of the member of House of Representatives?
House of Representatives. Sir, 5 years.
2 years. Okay, leave. Kusum Deswal.
Yes, sir.
Who is the present President of America?
Yes, sir.
Who is the present President of America?
Joe Biden.
Vice President.
Vice President. Sir, don't.
Kamala Harris.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what is the term of the House of Representatives?
2 years.
Very good. Okay, leave. Now, Ravi Ranjan Jaiswal. Ravi, explain what is meant by parliamentary form of government. Ravi Ranjan. Ravi Ranjan.
Sir?
You are moving here and there.
Sir, I am not able to hear.
What is mean by parliamentary form of government?
Yes, sir.
What is mean by parliamentary form of government?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Listening. Sir?
What is mean by parliamentary form of government?
So the parliamentary form of government are 2 years. Between 2 years. The
ले भाई क्या जवाब देना है भाई? अच्छा, okay, you come at the last. Ravi Ranjan, your network problem is there. Okay, Aditya Jaiswal is smiling over there. He is with a good network. Okay, Aditya, tell me,
yes,
what
sir.
is mean by parliamentary and presidential form of government? Explain me properly.
Sir, in parliamentary form of government, Prime Minister is the head. In president form of government, President is the head. The executive is separated in President into form of government and President form. It is together with executive legislation.
Very good. How is the member of Rajya Sabha elected?
With
Okay, who elects the member of Rajya Sabha?
by the union territories.
Okay, state
union
assembly.
territory states.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now, Mani Kumar Jha. What is president form of government, Mani Kumar?
Yes, sir. Hello. Voice
What
is
is the presidential form of government?
President form of the government. Politics and administration power are divided between the executive, legislative, and judicial branches. President is head.
Okay, very good. How is the member of Lok Sabha elected?
The Lok Sabha member are elected indirectly by the people of India majority.
Members are elected indirectly.
Directly
or directly?
Directly.
Okay, directly. Okay, leave. Now next, अच्छा. Once again, I am telling you, जिसका कैमरा बंद, उसका क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, ठीक है? जल्दी कैमरा में आ जाओ. Then only you will be asked the question. Otherwise, you will be sitting over there only. हाँ, देखो. Okay, now next one. Who is this? Razia Khatun. Yes. What is the parliamentary form of government? Parliamentary form of government. Oh, my house. Come to my house. I'll take your order here. Come. Rajia, your network problem. Okay, let's leave. What is meant by parliamentary and presidential form of government?
Sir, me.
Yes.
In a parliamentary form of government, the Prime Minister is the real head and the real power is vested in the Prime Minister. And in a presidential form of government, the President is the real head and the executive is completely separated from the legislative.
Okay, very good. Achha, can you tell me how is the President of America elected?
Indirectly by the members of Electoral College.
Very good. Good. Okay, leave. Now, Sajida Banu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, where are you? Yes, tell me. How is the Speaker of Lok Sabha elected?
The Speaker of Lok Sabha elected directly by the people of India.
Okay, who is the present Speaker of Lok Sabha? Hello. Who is the present President of America?
Joe Biden.
Okay, who is the present President of India?
Ramnath Kovind.
Very good. Okay, leave. Sajida, what is your roll number? Okay, got. Okay, next, Mehbooba Parveen. Mehbooba, where is Sabnam? Is she there in the class? Sabnam?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my roll number is 75.
Okay, but according to my paper, it is Sajida, it is 72.
Okay, sir.
Actually, four students they left. No, they did not join. That is why your roll number is split up. So new. Okay, no problem. Okay, leave. You can leave. Join the
Okay, sir.
English assignment class. Okay, Mehbooba Parveen. What is the term of Lok Sabha? 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years?
5 years.
Very good. What is the term of House of Representatives? 1 year, 2 year, 3 year?
2 years.
Very good. Okay. How is the Speaker of Lok Sabha elected?
Sir, directly by the people, citizen of India.
Okay, from among the member. Okay. Okay. Next, who is the present President of India?
Ramnath Kovind.
Very good. Good girl. Very good. Okay. Mehbooba, where is your roll number?
20.
Okay. Yes. Correct. Okay. Leave. Join the English assignment class. Now next one. Razia Khatun, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the term of Lok Sabha?
5 years.
What is the term of a member of House of Representatives?
2 years.
Very good. What is the term of Rajya Sabha?
6 years.
Wow. Very good. Good girl. Excellent. Now join the English class. Sabnam Khanam.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is mean by parliamentary and presidential form of government?
Sir, in parliamentary form of government, It is also known as the democratic form of government in which the party or coalition of parties with a great representative in the parliament, legislature form of the government, its leader become prime minister or the chancellor. And in presidential system or form of government in which a head of government president leads an executive branch that is separate from the legislative branch. This head of government is in most cases also the head of state.
Okay, very good. Sabnam Khanam. Okay, very good. Okay. Now join the English assignment class. Okay. Komal Jha. Komal Jha.
Yes, sir.
Did I ask you questions before?
No, sir.
Okay. Tell me, how is the Rajya Sabha members elected?
Rajya Sabha members are elected by the member in the first meeting of Lok Sabha by general election.
What you are saying? You're not attending the history class, you're not attending the videos and all the alto-falto answers you're giving. Who elects the member of Rajya Sabha? Tell.
The people.
Okay. Okay, leave. Next, Akriti Kumari. Akriti, what is mean a parliamentary form of government? What is mean a parliamentary form of government? What is mean by impeachment? What is mean by no confidence motion? What is the term of Lok Sabha? What is the term of Rajya Sabha?
5 years.
Okay, leave.
6 years.
Okay. Akriti, go join the English class. Sabina Kapoor.
Yes, sir.
What is mean by presidential government?
It is a government
What is the term of Lok Sabha?
Sir, 5 years.
What is the term of Rajya Sabha member?
2 years.
Rajya Sabha member 2 years. मजबूरी में आज आना पड़ा ना असाइनमेंट क्लास में, कभी आएगा नहीं क्लास में, सुनेगा नहीं, है ना? ओके, नेक्स्ट, हाउ इज द स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा इलेक्टेड? See? Okay, simple question. Who is the president of India?
Sir, Ramnath Kovind.
रामनाथ कोविंद प्रेसिडेंट है इंडिया का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, who is the prime minister of our country?
Sir.
Name the prime minister of our country.
Sir, Narendra Modi.
Very good. Namo, namo. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next, Nikita Nandi. Yes, Nikita Nandi. What happened, Nikita? Yes, I was shouting you to own the video. Okay. Don't move, don't move. Your face is not visible. Come to the light. You're attending the class for the first time?
No, sir.
Then, as if you are acting new, how to operate the camera, kaise on karu. Okay, tell me, Nikita Nandi. What is your name?
Sir, Nikita Nandi.
In which class do you read?
10.
How old are you?
15.
Are you going to give the board exam?
Yes, sir.
Are you prepared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then tell me, what is mean a parliamentary form of government?
Sir?
What is mean by parliamentary form of government? Acha, leave. What is the term of Lok Sabha?
5 years.
What is the term of the House of Representatives?
2 years.
Very good. Okay. Now join the English class. Okay, then Ayushman Ghosh. Yes, what is meant by parliamentary and presidential form of government? Explain with example. Yes, Ayushman Ghosh. Ayushman, can you hear me? Okay, लगता है आयुष्मान के साथ हमारा संपर्क टूट गया है. Okay, Safiqul Islam.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the term of Lok Sabha?
5 years.
Okay. How is the member of Lok Sabha elected?
By the citizen of India.
Okay, very good. What is the required age to become the member of Lok Sabha?
25.
Very good. Okay, leave. What is your roll number, Safiqul?
Sir, 3.
Oh, it is here. Okay. Okay, very good. You can join the English now. Rohit sir, what is your roll number?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I was telling answer, but my mic was off. Means, sir, my mic was on.
But I could not hear anything. Okay, okay, just wait. Let me finish Rohit sir, and after that I'll ask you. Rohit sir.
Yes, sir.
What is your roll number?
So 69.
Okay. Explain the presidential form of government with example.
The presidential form of government is a government in which total power are vested with the president. The example of the president is America, USA.
Okay, very good. And how is the president of America elected?
Sir, question?
How is the president of America elected?
Sir, directly by the people of directly by the members of the electoral college.
Okay, very good. Okay. Rohit. Okay, leave. English assignment class. Ayushman Ghosh. Explain the parliamentary presidential form of government with example.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Sir, in the parliamentary form of government, the executive is not separated from the legislature. In the presidential form of government, the executive is completely separated from the legislature. In the parliamentary government, the member of council of minister are the member of legislature. In the presidential government, the members of the executive are not member of the legislature.
Explain how the Lok Sabha members are elected. Yes, Ayushman, how is the members of Lok Sabha elected? Ayushman. Ayushman. Okay, okay. Ayushman, leave, join the English class. Okay, Anuj Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Tell me now, how is the speaker of Lok Sabha?
The Speaker of Lok Sabha is elected by the Indian citizen.
Okay, very good. Okay, leave. What is your roll number, Anuj Gupta?
Sir, I forgot my roll number, sir.
Wait. Anuj. Science stream or Anuj? The roll number is 50. 50.
Yes, sir.
Take the leap on the camera. Yes. So where were you for so long? You're not attending any classes, not a single class of mine you attended. You have a good network, I see. See, we have completed the syllabus, revisions are going on. I didn't get any response from you. Huh? You hate history subject. Microphone. Okay, Nandini Sarkar, are you there? Nandini Sarkar. Nandini Sarkar. Nandini Sarkar.
Yes, sir.
Camera on the camera. Nandini Sarkar, on the camera.
I'm not able to on my camera.
Nandini Sarkar.
Sir, I'm not able to on my camera.
Why?
Sir, from up I am unmuting and saying you.
No, you can, there is an option, no? There is a camera button, you can click on that.
Sir, not working.
Okay. Asa, tell me, are you really Nandini Sarkar or somebody else?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is my name?
No, sir, I will not say.
Tell my name, then only I will know, no, you are Nandini Sarkar.
No, sir.
Yeah, that means you don't know your subject teacher's name. Very bad.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tell me. What is the term of Lok Sabha member?
The term of Lok Sabha, 5 years.
Okay, very good. What is the, how is the member of Lok Sabha elected?
Sir, the Lok Sabha is elected directly.
Okay, very good. Okay. So do one thing now. Join the English class. Okay, assignment, English assignment exam is going on here. Whoever first will be on the screen, no, sir will after class.
Okay, sir.
Leave. Okay, take the leave. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me, how is the member of Lok Sabha elected?
The member of Lok Sabha is elected by among the member.
Okay, from among the member. Okay. What is the term of Rajya Sabha member?
5 years.
A term of Rajya Sabha member is 6 years.
6 years. Sorry, sir.
That is, you should have joined the interactive classes. I always make videos,
Sir,
revision videos. Huh?
Sir, I got confused.
Okay. Are you watching the YouTube videos?
Sir, okay, I will watch from now.
Now, from today. I made so many videos on history, civics. Now I'm revising the revision videos are also I'm putting over there. I've explained there everything clearly. Watch it, okay? It will be helpful for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now the last question. The last question. Are you preparing for your board exam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, prepare well, okay? Okay, now join the English class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now last one is Rupesh Kumar Yadav. Please on the camera. Okay, Rupesh Kumar Yadav. What is the roll number, Rupesh?
Sir, 17.
17 or 70?
Sir, 70.
Okay, tell me what is the parliamentary form of government?
Sir, parliamentary form of government.
Sir, in a parliamentary form of government, are all the powers are vested. Sir, example, America. As a president form of
Then, who is the president of America?
Sir, president of America, sir, Joe Vallo.
Joe Biden.
Joe Biden, sorry, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Take care.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye.